Hello friends, and welcome to another Benefit of the Doubt unboxing. This is a different one than what you're usually going to see on this channel. This is the Baby Yoda Lego set, also known as the Child from the series Mandalorian. I built this over a period of about 2.5 to 3 hours on election day because frankly I needed something to take my mind off of election day, and this one fit the bill. So what we did first, of course, is we cracked open the box. Took a little bit of doing, actually. But once you get it open, naturally, like most Lego sets, you have your bags of Legos that are supposed to be opened in numeric order. So it was really just a matter of getting those all laid out and ready to go, and then you got your massively thick instruction book. I mean, like, that was really thick. But anyway, once I got the Legos all laid out and ready to go, it was off to the races. So that's going to do it for this unboxing and speed build. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like and subscribe to the Benefit of a Doubt podcast.